Hey, so we back. Today in this video I'm going to be making the Chebe oil. As you see here, I already have the Chebe inside of a jar. That's about 1.5 tablespoons of Chebe mix. And I have my olive oil and my cooker. Just going to pour the olive oil inside of the jar. I'm going to try to do almost 8 ounces. I'm not going to lie, it's probably like 6 ounces because that's an 8-ounce jar. And I'm not wasting all my olive oil. So after I pour it in, I'm just going to close it and I'm going to shake it up. Shake it good. Mix it all up. And I'm going to let it sit for a little bit after I shake it. So after I let it sit for about an hour or two, I'm going to pour it inside of my slow cooker, all of it, and then I'm going to turn it on to high, and I'm going to let it sit for 6 hours. Alright, so here is my Chebe oil all cooked up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour it inside of like a measuring cup, just so it's easier to strain, so I don't make a whole lot of mess or anything like that. It doesn't smell crazy or anything like that. You don't smell anything actually while it's cooking, so don't worry about that, guys. I'm going to take the same jar that I poured the Chebe into originally, and I'm going to strain it with the strainer. So as I'm doing this, you'll see like some of the Chebe get caught, but a lot of it is stuck at the bottom of the measuring cup, so that's good. I actually ended up straining it twice just to be sure. But you guys can do it however many times you like. And I am all done. Now I have Chebe oil.